Recently, we have been asking Jessica to focus on activating and opening up to a new level her third eye, her ear chakras, her senses, her empathy, her ability to feel source and spirit, as well as the ability to tap into parallel realities of the future, being able to interpret momentum of manifestation that is coming into play for not only her life but for others. And we ask for you to also practice this as you shift into the fifth dimension and you shift into a space of being, accessing and understanding the multiverse, the multiple realms of which exist. We ask you to practice this, to open your third eye further, to affirm to yourself that you see through your third eye, you see beyond the physical dimension, you see that which Spirit and Source are bringing to you. Also, visualizing your ear chakras opening, and you may feel a slight sensation or pressure or expansion within your ears or out the sides of your head. This is opening you up to hearing more of the messages from Spirit and Source energy, opening your ears up to not only the physical dimension and the people that are surrounding you, but all energies of higher consciousness. Also setting the intention that you are opening up your ability to feel, sense, and know Spirit and Source energy. Opening up your empathy with a sense of power. Being able to interpret energy, frequency, and vibration, yet with your own boundaries for your own balance. And also setting the intention to be able to tap into the parallel realities and potentials of your future, so that you can access more awareness of your potentials and the reality that you are creating for yourself, but also the other potential parallel realities within that you could be aligning yourself with,